Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these extremely scrumptious, very soft and moist Nutella swirl muffins. They're super simple to make and can guarantee they won't last very long. So the first thing we need to do is just roughly chop up some chocolate. Next, in a bowl we're going to mash up our banana, trying to get rid of as many lumps as possible. To that we're going to add in the vanilla, the vegetable oil, the yogurt, the white sugar, the brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. And give that a good whisk together to combine. Into a separate bowl we're going to sift in the flour. To 1 cup we're going to add in the baking soda and the baking powder. Make a small well in the centre. Then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And mix gently to combine. Then all we need to do is add in the chocolate and give that one final mix through. Next we're going to spoon our mixture into our pre-greased muffin liners till they're about 3/4 of the way full. Gently smooth over the top of each one. Then all we need to do is add on 1/2 teaspoon of Nutella. This is the vegan variety that I'm using. Then using something like a wooden skewer, we're just going to swirl that Nutella through the top of the muffin. We're then going to pop those into the oven for about 20 to 24 minutes. Once the skewer comes out clean, then you know they're done. Let them cool in the baking tray for about 10 to 15 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Yummo! As you can see, they're super soft and moist. They're absolutely delicious. They're sure to hit the spot if you're feeling like something sweet. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, it really is appreciated, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!